Unit 5, Measurement of non-electrical quantities. We have electromagnetic flow meter. The flow can be measured by using electromagnetic flow meter. Electromagnetic flow meter, simply known as flow meter, it is a volumetric flow meter which is ideally used for wastewater applications and other applications that experience low pressure drop and with appropriate liquid conductivity required. A liquid that has to conduct, then only we can use electromagnetic flow meters. If the liquid does not conducting, we are not using that. Electromagnetic flow meters are not suitable for that. The device don't have any moving parts and cannot work with hydrocarbons and distilled water. Distilled water does not conduct the electricity. Electromagnetic flow meters, you can see we are using in pipes electromagnetic flow meters. The principle of electromagnetic flow meter based on Faraday's law is simply electromagnetic flow meters works on based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. According to this principle, whenever conductive medium passed through a magnetic field B, a voltage E is generated. Whenever conducting medium means the flow liquid is the conducting medium here, because electromagnetic flow meters are used for only liquid which conducts electricity. Passed through a magnetic field, the liquid is a voltage E is generated which is proportional to the velocity of the medium, the density of a magnetic field and length of the conductor. You know that what is electromagnetic induction? Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, E equal to BLV sin theta. In magnetic flow meter, a current is applied to wire. In magnetic flow meter, a current is applied to wire coils mounted within or outside of the meter body to generate a magnetic field. To generate a magnetic field, we are provided a coils. Wire coils or electromagnet, those are act as outer meter of the body to generate magnetic field. This liquid, the liquid whenever flows through the pipe act as a conductor. ఏ లిక్విడ్ అయితే మెజర్ చేయలేము ఫ్లో ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిక్ ఫ్లో మీటర్ అంటే ఫ్లో ఏ లిక్విడ్ అయితే ఫ్లో వెళ్తూ ఉంటుందో దాన్ని మనం పైప్ ద్వారా పంపిస్తాం. ఇట్ యాక్ట్స్ యాజ్ కండక్టర్ అండ్ ఇండ్యూసెస్ ఏ వోల్టేజ్ విచ్ ఈస్ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు యావరేజ్ ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ వెలాసిటీ. The voltage is detected by using sensing electrodes mounted on the magnetic flow meter body and sent to a transmitter which calculates the volumetric flow rate based on pipe dimensions. Mathematically, we can state Faraday's law E is proportional to BLV sin theta, where E is the voltage generated in conductor, V is the velocity of conductor, B is the magnetic field strength or magnetic flux density, and L is the length of the conductor. It is very important note that the liquid flow that is to be measured using electromagnetic flow meter must be electrically conductive. I already told you the liquid must conduct electrically conductive, then electromagnetic flow meters we are using. The Faraday's law indicates that the voltage E depends on the average liquid velocity V, the length of the conductor and the magnetic field strength. The magnetic field will be thus established in the cross section of the tube. You can see a sensor we are using. It acts as sensor. Whenever liquid flow, that a current EMF will be generated in that liquid, that is sensed by sensor. Basically, when the conductive liquid flows through magnetic field, a voltage is induced. To measure this generated voltage, which is proportional to velocity of the flow, the two stainless steel electrodes are used, which are mounted opposite to each other. The two electrodes which are placed inside of the flow meter are then connected to advanced electronic circuit that has ability to process the signal. The processed signal is fed into microprocessor that calculates the volumetric flow of the liquid. Electromagnetic flow meter's formula is Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction for making the flow of measurement E equal to BLV sin theta. The volume of flow rate is proportional to induced EMF in practical applications. we have entered the meter constant K also. The volume of meter is Q equal to K into E, where E is the EMF induced. There are some limitations of electromagnetic flow meters. One is substance being measured must be conductive. That is one of the limitations. Therefore, it cannot be employed for metering the flow rate of gases, steam, petroleum products, and similar liquids having very low conductivity. We can't use electromagnetic flow meter. And it is a very expensive device, as the meter always measures the volume rate. The volume rate of any suspended matter in the liquid will be included. Any matter, any unwanted material also, that also included. To avoid any trouble caused to enter air when the flow tube is installed in horizontal pipeline, there are some drawbacks for that.